This video is sponsored by Fram, manufacturers of high-quality filters since 1934. Visit fram.com to learn more.
In order to keep your motorcycle working at its best, keeping up with routine maintenance like oil changes are vital. When it comes to changing the oil in your motorcycle, the frequency depends on 3 factors. First, the make and model of your bike. Second, the type of engine oil you use. And third, how often you ride. After all, oil is the blood that keeps your motor's heart beating. So consistent maintenance is key to optimal performance. In order to keep your engine running, don't forget about the oil filter. If you want to increase the life of your engine, you'll want to change your oil filters often. The same 3 factors for oil changes affect oil filter changes. Though there is some debate on the frequency of oil filter changes, some recommend changing the filter at the same time you change your oil. This is especially important if your motorcycle uses synthetic oil. Oil filters collect debris, metallic particles, sludge, and prevents corrosion. Without the filter's line of defense, motorcycle engines would be vulnerable to combustion. If you want to make sure your engine is working at its best, the general rule of thumb is to change your oil filter roughly every 2,000 to 3,000 miles, or at the first sign of your engine underperforming. To learn more about Powersports oil filters, visit fram.com.